Okay, back with the Honda Shadow. If you have a problem where your cooling fan does not come on, your sensors went out, or even if you want to test your fan, take and unplug the wire from your sensor down there, get you a toggle switch, hook the end that goes into your sensor into the toggle switch, then run you another wire. I have mine coming up here. This is what goes into the sensor. I'm sorry. The plug to the sensor, you run a wire and take it to the toggle switch. You'll have to do that because it's not, you don't want to take and cut that wire just in case you replace your sensor. Now mine has a new sensor in it, but it's made me skeptical because whenever I start it, I let it run, and I know that the temperature has to get up to a certain degrees before it cuts on. But with it being as hot as it is in the 80s and the 90s, you would figure that it would come on for some reason, and I don't know. It's just made me paranoid, so I have just altogether bypassed the sensor. I might get brave enough to try it one day to see if it will come on, but I ain't willing to risk my motor for that sensor, which is like 15 bucks. So anyway, like I said, this is my wire right here that's got the plug that goes into that sensor. I put a wire on it, run me another wire to my toggle switch, then run another wire. Everybody says you run it to a ground. So what I've done, let me get my camera, sorry, don't want to make y'all dizzy. If I do, I apologize. I ran me another wire and I brought it down here, if you can see that. Let me see. This wire. I ran me another wire, so what I do is I put it behind the cover where it hits metal. Let's see if I can hurry up and do it and then let you see what I'm talking about. I just take and wrap it, the wire, put my screw in, take my wire, wrap my wire around it so it'll get connection. Put my screw in it and make sure you get it kind of semi-tight, because if you don't, the vibration will make it go loose just like it did on me just now. So I figured I'd make a video to tell you how you can test to see if your fan's gone bad, or if you just want to bypass your sensor if your sensor's gone out. Or like me, my sensor went out, I bought another one, put it on, it wasn't cut on. Made me paranoid, and I thought I'd rather have a toggle switch to it so I can control it, and I know for a fact that the fan's on. So yeah, you have to do it kind of tight, because mine wiggled loose and lost connection. I thought maybe my fan burned up, but it wasn't my fan, thank God. Which I know that's probably going to come next, but now my switch is on top. That's how you test your fan. Or you can control it manually if you don't trust your sensor. So I don't have to worry about my motor going hot. Hope that helped, guys.